Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the camera timer on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So if you want to take a photo and you want to be inside a photo as well, then you can use the timer features. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key and launch the camera app. Once the camera app is launched, you can tap on the settings icon down here, and in here tap on timer. You can choose between off 2 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. So select the one that you need. Maybe 10 seconds is good if you are slowly getting into the pictures. So give yourself plenty of time if you choose the 10 seconds. And then I'm just going to choose 5 seconds for now. And then just tap on the back button to go back. And let's do a demo. So we're going to take a photos. And you can see here it's a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then take a photo, so it also make that sound so that the beep go faster when it getting closer to the time. So you can see it goes slow, and the last 2 seconds the beeps go really fast, telling you that you have 2 seconds left before the shot is taken. And that's how you can use the camera timer on your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.